Hello, I'm wbz-tv meteorologist Barry Burbank. I have your forecast for today and the next several days. Let's first look at Foxborough. And as of this recording time this morning, it was pretty cold down there, around 14 degrees, and the wind was blowing a little bit, not a strong wind, and that's the way it's going to be all day long. Just a bit of a breeze every once in a while kicks up, but probably staying close to or under 10 miles an hour, but that'll be enough to chill the air a little bit. And since the air is going to be so cold, it may get up to 25 to 27 here the first part of the game this afternoon, but it's going to make it feel a little bit colder because of that wind. So we'll have wind chill temperatures early this afternoon, note about 1 to 2 o'clock, right around 20 to 22 degrees. That's what it'll feel like, maybe a little bit lower than that at times when that wind is blowing. So that's the deal. Not much wind, but there will be a bit of a breeze. The high temperatures on the thermometers will be around 25 to 28, very similar to what we had yesterday. These will be highs across the nation today, and it's quite generally in the 30s across the northern half of the country. Of course, a lot of snow fell here yesterday. If you really want it warm, you can take off quickly and go down to Orlando today, where it'll be 81 degrees there today. A system moving into California by late tomorrow is going to be a system that may give us some light snow changing to rain on I would say Friday. So that system hitting California late tomorrow and tomorrow night will be here on Friday. In the meantime, we got this system which cranked out so much snow yesterday. And of course, we had all the snow earlier this week across northern New England. Of course, we have bare ground down here most of eastern Massachusetts. Snow drought continues in Boston. Well, look at all, we're just surrounded by snow here. A lot of snow across the country, and especially so yesterday. Many areas had 10 to 20 inches of snow in parts of Missouri into southwestern Illinois, southern Indiana, and southwest Ohio. But here's Boston, still waiting for the first inch of snow. We've only had 0.2 of an inch. And the latest that ever happened of getting the first inch was on Valentine's Day in the year of 2007. But it looks like we have a shot at some snow coming up. But we're in the snow tracker. On average, Worcester gets 61.5 inches of snow per season. We've had just under 10 inches there so far. I remember we had that snow back in November. Didn't get much in December, that's for sure. Boston's only had 0.2 of an inch. The average for a season is 43.8. Still have a shot of going above average for the whole season because we have some stormy times ahead. The weather pattern is very favorable, becoming with a lot of rugged winter weather ahead for the next few weeks. But today, not much going on as the high cloud shield is thinned out. The low clouds will tend to stream in from the ocean later this afternoon and tonight over Cape Cod and the islands, where a few snow showers could be released. Otherwise, it's going to turn mostly clear. There you can see the temperatures this afternoon around 4 o'clock. Then it looks like some of this low cloudness is going to expand a little bit more as the low-level winds turn north-northeast. More of that coming in tonight and into tomorrow morning across much of southern New England, especially near and south of the Mass Pike, and also extending up along the North Shore. Some scattered snow showers could occur in here. Nothing really major, but might be enough to make some slippery spots in some of these roadways tomorrow morning with some of those snow showers. And then that all will shift out southeastward during the day, so the afternoon will turn out bright and sunny. And it will be a little bit warmer tomorrow as it gets up to the lower 30s. So again, those ocean effect snow showers developing tonight or late this afternoon on the Cape, then expanding across into the Boston area and perhaps the North Shore late tonight and tomorrow morning. There goes the storm, main storm out to sea. It'll just be rather quiet the next few days. There is a cold front coming on Wednesday, and that's when we warm up here a little bit on Wednesday to the lower 40s. This cold front slams on through without much fanfare except some gusty wind, and we turn cold all over again on Thursday. Then Friday comes along, and that weak system, which is moving on the California coast late tomorrow, will give us some light snow on Friday morning, turning over to a little bit of light rain in the Boston area south, and then that system will go out to sea. Now, the overall jet stream is going to be extremely important. It looks like we have a lot of dynamics in the atmosphere over the next few weeks. There's a tremendous reservoir of extremely frigid air in Canada. That's just going to be wobbling around and whirling around over the next few days and weeks. And as the jet stream changes its configuration, it looks like we may have a shot at some significant weather here maybe next Sunday or Monday. Too early to make a call on it yet, whether that gives us a direct hit of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. We'll have to wait and see on that. But also, once that goes by, it may pull down some really frigid air. But that's more than a week away. Most of this week is pretty quiet overall with just that minor storm here with snow and light rain on Friday. That's your forecast for now. Have a great day. Go Pats!